everybody, it's Michelle, and today we're going to be making a fruit salad in the healthiest way possible. We're going to be using all fresh fruits and all natural ingredients to flavor it with. I hope to show you guys that you don't always need a heavy cream cheese or whipped cream type of topping to go on your fruit. Fruit can be super delicious on its own, and I'll show you a couple ways to flavor it up too. And for your fruit, you can use any combination of fruits that you like. I'm going to be using strawberries, blueberries, kiwi, banana, and pear. This would also be great to add in maybe some orange or tangerine segments, apples, grapes, pineapple, peaches, whatever is your favorite fruit. I just suggest that you use fresh fruit. That is always the best, healthiest option. So my berries and my kiwi have already been washed and peeled and chopped. I've got 1 cup of strawberries, and I'm just going to go ahead and put that in. I'm going to save the blueberries for last because we don't want them to go through much tossing because they're kind of more delicate. So I'm going to add in my kiwi on top of that. And a banana. I have a very small banana here. When I'm buying bananas in the store, I look for the small ones if I can find them, so that if I'm having maybe just a banana by itself and I've already opened the banana, I don't have to have a large portion. I like to have the smaller portions on hand. But the best way to choose your bananas is with a little bit of brown spots on the peel. That means that it is perfectly ripe and it contains all of the nutrients that it's going to have. And I'm just going to open that up and slice it straight into my bowl. And I didn't prepare the banana or the pear ahead of time because they will brown on you if they're left to sit too long. So I'm going to quickly peel my pear. And I'm using another knife here. This is my favorite knife to peel with in the kitchen. It's very old and the tip is broken, but I can't find another one like it in the store, so I'm hanging on to it. Don't know that I would even be able to peel fruit or potatoes if I were to lose this knife. I love it. I'm going to quarter it lengthwise and cut out that tough core. And then I can just cut it into chunks. And because of our bananas and pears, I'm going to add some lemon juice. I'm going to put about 2 teaspoons of that. If you're not using fruits that will brown, you don't have to use the lemon juice, but it is very good. It adds a lot of good flavor as well. And if you have fresh lemon that you can squeeze the juice from, that even better. And next is the ingredient that surprises most people when they have my fruit salad, and that is spinach. And you put it in there for a little bit of nutritional value, a little bit of color and garnish, and it makes it beautiful, and it doesn't really taste like vegetables in there. It's just a wonderful way to sneak in that wonderful nutrition. And I happen to love spinach, and I add it in anywhere I can. So I just stacked up the leaves, split those down the middle, and now I'm cutting that into strips. And it's just going to be like decorative little ribbons going throughout my salad. I'm going to go ahead and just dump all of that in. Give it another toss. And here is the main flavor component in my fruit salad, and that is vanilla extract. And I'm going to put a teaspoon probably in just this small tiny bowl. If you were making much more, you'd want to use 2 teaspoons, maybe even a tablespoon if you had a large bowl full. And I'm just going to stir that up a little bit. And I think that spinach is beautiful in there. And that vanilla extract just makes it taste like you have made this wonderful extravagant vanilla sauce on your fruit. And it's just the extract. There's no need for all the sugars and everything. There's so much natural sugar already in the fruit. That's all it needs. And for my own purposes, this would be all I would want. I'd go ahead and add in my blueberries and call that done. But some people, like I said, do want a sweet sauce added. So we're going to do that in a healthy way, and we're just going to use honey. And I've got raw honey here, just 1 tablespoon. I did take it to the microwave and heat it for just like only 5 seconds. That way it can pour a little easier and distribute over my fruit. So if you think you need sweet sauce on your fruit, then this is wonderful. It's natural honey, which is definitely healthy if you get the raw honey. And when it mixes with that vanilla and the lemon, it makes a wonderful sauce, and you've got no added sugar and nothing unhealthy in there. And look at that beautiful gloss you've got on your fruit already. So now I'm going to add in my blueberries and just barely give those a light toss. You want to be delicate with the blueberries. And that is all. Like I said, any fruits of your choice, whatever happens to be in season or looks wonderful in the produce department, or some maybe that you have grown yourself, as long as you get fresh fruit, it's going to be wonderful, with a little bit of spinach snuck in. And the sauce is nothing more than lemon juice, honey, and vanilla extract. Super simple, but I know you guys are going to love it. So give it a try. Leave me a comment below and let me know if you loved it. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Give me a like over on my Facebook page. And be sure to join our Facebook group, Healthy Minds and Bodies, and share pictures with us of your beautiful fruit salad and whatever fruits you chose to add in. Also follow me on Pinterest and Instagram, and don't forget to visit my blog. I'll have the links to all of those in the description below, so be sure and check them out. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.